Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know us yet, we are Calum and Roxana, full-time van lifers from Scotland. We are currently travelling through mainland Europe and we post a video every Monday sharing our lives on the road. Hope you enjoy.
What a beautiful place to start a new vlog.
This morning we left our new favourite country, Slovenia, and headed for the coast of Croatia because living next to the sea for so long, we're beginning to miss it.
Our time in Croatia is sadly limited because we need to go back to Scotland by the end of this month. So we were trying to be picky of what the place in Croatia we want to come, and we decided to come to an island called Krk. And we're currently on the west coast of the island in a really nice, quiet part of the island with secret beach. So this is what we're gonna do for the next 2 days.
Is it a beautiful coffee?
Smells like coffee. We're going to the beach.
Soak up some sunshine whilst it lasts.
Yeah.
Look at the water up.
Looks amazing.
The water. Water.
War.
Water.
Well, war.
Rox, I would like you to look at the water.
So the beach we went to last night is the main beach. And there is another one over here, just need to go for the bushes.
I know, through the jungle it feels.
This will be our first swim of the year, which is really strange because when we lived a year and a half on Isla, we would regularly every month go for swims. It doesn't matter, summer, winter, would be in the water, so yeah.
The good thing is it looks nice. How's the temp?
It's a bit, it's just a little bit cold, but it's okay. Yeah, it's cold, but the water is really nice and clear. The sun is shining. This is our view. Yeah, it's nice.
My turn. Oh, she lied, it's absolutely freezing. The best thing for these situations. Woo! Oh. It's been too long.
I think this video is gonna be titled "We swam in a secret beach in Croatia."
That sounds good actually. Freezing cold, but 100% worth it. Oh! Ow! Ta-da!
Nice, okay. So
What we got?
this is a white wine, I think.
Slovenian.
Slovenian white wine.
Expert here. The sommelier. Tonight, gentlemen, we have white wine.
It smells like
White wine.
grapes. This will be perfect with this slightly stale baguette and five days old.
Gouda cheese.
Gouda cheese.
And peanut puffs.
And we have the finest
Plastic.
plastic. like to tell us what you think?
I like to think that the glass is half empty, not half full. That's better. That's better. Thank you, Rox.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, definitely smells like white wine.
Oh my god.
Moitza, you're... Oh,
Wow.
wow. Jinx. Moitza, you were right. This wine is
Wow.
fantastic.
Five hours later. I think we should move.
There's your day bean.
No, but.
In the kitchen today, or should I say in the bush, we are cooking a delicacy of Slovenian potatoes and vegan schnitzel, and this is how it's made. Cooking with Calum! The first crucial stage of cooking this delicacy is obviously cooking the potatoes, and we want to cook the potatoes to perfection. That means almost till they're overdone. Now if you're wondering why we're cooking on this crappy little burner, is because if you remember in last week's video we ran out of gas. So we've run out of gas. We knew this might be a problem, but we didn't really...
We just ignored it.
Still have no gas, and there's no way of us getting gas in Europe, so it looks like we're going to be cooking on this little thing for the next month. The next part of this potato making masterclass, to fry the potatoes in a reasonable amount of oil. Now this might sound wrong, but we're actually going to use chicken seasoning, completely vegan chicken seasoning. We're just going to bung the potatoes in. Imagine there's flames there. Not too much because Rox will kill me.
Don't over season them.
You will see here that some of the potatoes are starting to fall apart. That means you've cooked them perfectly. Next stage in the masterclass, as you would expect from me and Rox, we have sourced these local schnitzels from the local supermarket. Probably made in Germany. That's not the point. And all we need to do here is fry these to perfection, and then dinner is served. Are you ready for table service?
Yes, chef.
You need to do something. Get the food on the table. I'll do that. There you go. Come on, you need to go faster before
Yes, chef.
the food gets cold.
Yes, chef.
Is that ready for service?
Dinner served. Yes, chef.
Well, it looks a mess. This is what you need. Parsley.
One more ingredient, chef.
No, no, Rocky, you'll ruin my food.
Potatoes are tip top.
Honestly, perfection. And I
You
don't
are-
mind saying myself.
You're the master potato master.
That's the cooking masterclass over. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Yes, chef. We love the spot, that's why we stayed another night. And it's mostly like a father and a son who runs this place. Found it on Park for Night, €7 per night. Perfect.
Can't argue with that, huh?
And I just love all these random old cars. I love it so much. Good vibe.
Good vibes only. The question is now, can we get this big van up that crazy road? Rox has her doubts.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I think it'll be okay.
It'll be okay,
I hope. It's a good thing to put those new wheels on.
Yeah. I don't think we will be able to.
Oh, it's pretty sketchy.
That's pretty sketchy.
Can't leave a cutlery.
island is quite big. It's connected to the mainland with bridge, which is quite nice. And right now we're gonna drive to the south of the island to the town called Baska. It's gonna take us roughly 40 minutes, and we're just gonna go and see how it looks like.
It's meant to be very beautiful in the town anyway.
So Kirk is the name of the island, but also I guess the capital of the island too. Must be, yeah? Yeah, that sounds nice, just to be...
The weather on the sea is crazy.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, so we haven't been vlogging very much. I think it's important to say that we're not vlogging all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Like if we can't be bothered,
We just
we
do
don't.
it.
But we did make it to Baska yesterday. We're parked up here in this, you know, pretty good campsite.
Mm-hmm. Because we don't have any gas, that means we can't shower. So I had a really nice shower this morning. You can probably see how clean I am.
You can probably smell how clean you are. But yeah, yesterday we explored this really cracking wee town. The weather, however, was just
mental.
Like, you know, if you look at the few clips we did do, looks really nice and sunny, but the wind was blowing a hoolie. The sea was incredibly stormy, but my goodness, it looked incredible.
It's so beautiful.
And what I found particularly strange is because when we were doing a wee bit of googling about Baska, is that it's meant to be like a really quite touristy place.
Mm-hmm.
The place was an absolute ghost town.
Mm-hmm.
There was nobody there, which was perfect for us because we were able to kind of wander about the streets, you know, enjoy the village pretty much to ourselves.
I can imagine that would be just so nice to come here in the summer, to swim in that water. The cliffs in the background was so beautiful. So
It's nuts. Yeah.
So I think our next stop is Verbnik, which is on the east side of the island. I would love to do some wine tasting, so I think this part of the island is supposed to be known for their wine, so we're gonna do something like that, I guess. I hope so.
Fingers crossed. But maybe a good place for us to leave this week's video, I would say. We hope you guys all enjoyed this week's video. And yeah, if you did so, hit the like button, it helps. I guess next week we'll see you in Verbnik. Hopefully with a glass of wine in our hands. Anyway, cheery bye.
Bye.
We would just like to say a big thank you to everyone who's supported us by buying us a wee whiskey on last week's video. We appreciate all the donations. Thank you.